Good morning, sir. I'm Midshipman Balagot in Section G2E. This subject is SIM 223. I will discuss this topic of water right integrity. What is water right integrity? Water right integrity is refers to a ship's ability to prevent water from entering spaces that are designed to be dry. It is achieved by ensuring that the whole bulkheads, decks, and all openings, doors, hatches, windows, bulbs are effectively sealed and structural sound. Essentially, it is the ship's waterproofing system that divides the vessels into separate compartments. This is the importance of meaning of watertight integrity. Number one is survival. Survival and buoyancy. Survival and buoyancy if the hull is breached, watertight boundaries contain the flooding to only the damaged compartment. Without it, water would spread freely throughout the ships, causing it to close buoyancy and eventually sink. And the number two is stability. Stability is pre-water moving inside a ship severely compromises stability, causing the vessels to lean to one side or capsize. And number three is structural strength. Structural strength is water entering void spaces or double bottoms can cause corrosion and weaken the structural steel over time. And the number four is damage control. Damage control is in the event of an accident or collision, watertight integrity allows to the crew to isolate damage. And number five is protection of cargo and equipment. Protection of cargo and equipment is keeping spaces dry, protects the cargo from damage, and ensures that machinery, electrical systems, and navigations equipment operate and correctly. And that's all, sir. Thank you.